Okay, what about that one?
Is that test video?
Test video.
Oh, good test video. Right. Hello.
Hey.
So, day one of... Oh, that's my alarm. So it's day one of... Whoa. See, we even got up before our alarms. That's how ready and excited we are.
Commitment.
Because it is day one of our 7-day shop build. And we're on our way to our work site. Our hive is clean and we look like proper tradies.
Good take.
Yeah, no. So, this is our chicken and chip shop. We decided fuck burgers and we're just gonna sell chicken and chips. So we're finished, we're done. Day one. Good build. Yeah, even renamed the shop. Urban Grill on Grange.
Yeah, I see that one.
Alright, fine, we'll build a burger shop.
Alright.
No, but really, this is our shop. This is day one. We're gonna build some benches here, put a fridge, build a wall, kind of like Donald Trump when the house is gonna go up. And Sammy's gonna put some concrete on the walls, and we're gonna put some more booths in, and build another wall, and build some benches, and then some tables, and we're gonna do it all in 7 days.
Great.
Fucking alright. Yo!
Hey.
We went to Bunnings, bought some shit. Ready to build a shop. As long as our shit makes it back to the shop. That I cannot drive with a trailer, I cannot winch a trailer, and I should never be trusted with a trailer. Sad day.
Thankfully, I know how to winch a trailer and tie a trailer. So, good news.
I could tie a
We
trailer.
made. Wow.
Fuck, not that bad.
I don't know.
We're only wearing high-vis because I read once that tradies get the ladies, so I figured I'd at least look like one. Yeah, break my fucking leg on the first day of the shop. It was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear?
By us in this shop.
Figured it was fitting.
50 minutes commercial free.
So I'm in here building the Great Wall, making some good progress so far. Making a bit of mess. We got Stevie out there at the back, at the front, sorry. Carling away. Look at that masterpiece. Picasso. The wall is the first day. Stevie's finished his tiling. Looking pretty slick.
Yo, day one. Done.
Hey YouTube friends, so it's the second day. Went out, had a few drinks last night. Don't know where Steve's gone, but we'll crack on and hopefully he should be here soon. So we've got the frame up to the part of the wall, and we've got the bench top going, which is great. Steve's tiling's done, we just got to grout that and then chuck the bench top in at the front, which will complete the front of it. So yeah, woohoo! Day 2. So, Steve finally rocked up. Out on the street getting dressed. Back from a big night, so he's officially ready for day 2. A little bit slow on the uptake, but she'll be alright.
This is my ice cold Michelle Buffalo white coat.
Hey man.
Hey man. So today is day 2 and we are both very exhausted and we had an extremely progressive day, is that the word I'm looking for?
Close enough.
Yeah, well basically we now have a front counter and fucking whoa, you can't see me. Boom! We're no longer on show for everybody. Nonetheless, off 2 hours sleep and no signs of a hangover, surprisingly. I think we had quite a good day. So the plan is tomorrow we'll start tiling and hopefully it's going to start looking like Burgertec as of, well, tomorrow.
Well, yeah.
It kind of already does. I think we've done alright. Nonetheless, hopefully we have some more exciting footage.
Yeah.
But today was pedal to the metal, and I think we've put ourselves in a really good position for the rest of the week. And it's midnight and we put in 14 hours today, so let's go get some sleep.
No.
Day 3, done.
Bro, it's day 2.
Oh fuck.
So you good?
Day 2, done. Mix.
It's when you bring your step ladder.
Well, Dre, you've been doing all this dope producing. You had a chance to know what time it is. See what you want to do.
It's the rich mob, it's a macabre. What can you get this? And the night I just go on just like a fetus. Or a tumor, what do you
It's actually an issue in my life.
Real talk. Real talk.
Hello, welcome to the Burgertec Kid from Park. How may I take your order?
You are a proper sausage, mate.
Day 5? 5.
Day 5.
Day 5. This is day 5, and we are all now skeletons of humans. By that I mean we used to be humans, now we are skeletons. Today was actually pretty fun because now it really starts to look like a shop. We had our outdoor signage go up, thanks Adelaide Signs. We got some orange on our walls, which is pretty cool. Oh, we got our new menu board in, which is exciting, so we mounted this bad boy. We grounded the tiles, we cleaned the grout. What else did we do today?
Then we got the concreting done out
Oh
the
yeah,
back.
we got fucking concrete walls, eh? What else we got? We got lots of sausages because we've got lots of gaps to fill.
Oh, yeah.
So we got the gap filler himself.
Cork for days.
Sebastian,
all the
Big
puzzles.
Sausage the Wild, is going to be corking out gaps tomorrow.
All the gas.
Plugging holes.
Oh, by the way, you know you watch the blog and they do a bedroom in a week? We did a whole shop. You don't see us crying. We did it in 5 days.
5 days. We out.
How's that, Scott Cam? Scotty Cam!
So, as is, Stephen struggles to drive. Steve thought it would be a good idea to upgrade from the Ute to a big ass truck.
It won't move, man. She's stuck. We need to do this. Through that door.
Hey guys!
Yo, day
6?
Thursday?
Yeah, day 6.
Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 6, day 6. Woo! Count 6. It's actually exciting because I think we're going to finish today.
We got a little carried away. Finishings aren't quite done, but we're both very impatient and decided to get all the booths and stuff in just so we can get a feel of the place.
We have a shop. We got booths. Our tables, well, kind of. Our tables will be here later. We got to sand everything, varnish everything, paint, finish the last of the flushing. Sam's going to do a little bit more concrete on the wall when he finishes work and gets over here. And we're going to just clear coat everything and clean up like crazy. But it's starting to look like a shop by far.
More importantly, Burgertec.
Not just a Burgertec, but it's looking a lot better than any Burgertec we've ever built before. Seven tomorrow. No, 7 tomorrow because we're doing this big promo. So I put in there that I wanted because it's a massive order. I'm trying to get my move on.
Semi-finishing touches.
Hello. It is day 6 of our week. We're all pretty tired. We inherited special guest, Spice and Rice, aka Mr. 10 PM,
Been in the background the whole time.
aka Dark Chocolate, aka
couldn't see
Chucky
me.
Milk, aka Top Deck Baby. Nah, but really, we had a good day today. It was a little bit inefficient at first, but once we got started, we got some clear coat, we sanded everything, we cleaned everything, we set everything up. Our shop now really looks like a shop. We finished painting, finished wood.
Rendering.
Was that the rendering you were going to finish on Wednesday? So Tuesday.
Motherfucker's got another job
Wait,
or
Seb-
two that he has to do.
Seb-
40 hours a week doing
Seb-
other shit. And
Seb-
then
Seb
come
rocked
down
up-
and sleep us to.
Seb rocked up
Yes.
at 9 PM. Put in a solid day though. Solid hour.
Someone's got to cook you. Someone's got to cook you.
Yeah, fucked up the corking. I mean, corked the fuck up. Actually, that was pretty good. I'll give him that.
Not bad for a
Except for
fight.
this here.
Yeah, that comes off. Don't worry.
Oh. Seb also taught me that if you need to peel tape off a wall, you need a trowel.
You gotta just touch up.
Because it has a process.
There's a
That
process.
were your words.
That's right. There's a process.
There's a process to peeling tape off a wall and it requires a trowel. apart from that, good What day is it today?
Day 6.
Day 6.
Yeah.
Salada.
So later.